So let's start list, concept of list in Python. Suppose employee, and in list write employee name, okay, then employee id, employee name, then here you put id, and then employee age, and then close the list. Okay, so in single quote write age, okay, then comma, then salary, and then close. So this is list, employee list. You can see list, name is there, id is there, age is there, and salary is there. So these are the element of the list. If you want to print, you can write print an employee. Okay, so this employee you can print, run it, it will print name, id, age, and salary. Okay, if you want to add, so you can say employee dot append, and you can write any another attribute, any another company. Okay, now you print this, Control C, once again you print this employee. You will find first print is giving the employee, and after update, because Python execute step by step, its interpreter behind the screen. So first this print will give old detail, and this will give updated detail. Okay, if you want to remove, you can remove employee dot, here you can see lot of function are there. So you can see employee, and here remove. So what you want to remove? So just remove age. Okay, now once again print employee, Control C, Control V. So just you look here, this is list. We defined a list in Python, we printed the list. Now we added content in list, then once again printed. We removed one content, and then once again we printed and executed. So here you can find first one is like print employee, second one is after append print employee, and third one is after removal of age print the employee. So this is how we define list in Python.